How to automate CJ dropshipping orders, the complete guide. Hi there, today we'll guide you on how to automate your CJ dropshipping into your online store. For our example here, we'll be using a platform here for Shopify. So what you need to do is go to your Shopify account and go to apps. That's on the left side panel of the screen, and with the drop down button, click on apps and sales, and you will be routed into this page. What you need to do is click on Shopify App Store for you to be redirected to Shopify's App Store, where you will be able to find CJ Dropshipping. So what you need to do, if you're not able to find CJ Dropshipping on the options provided or the recommended apps, you can go ahead and click on the search bar and type in CJ Dropshipping and then hit on enter. Once done, you will see that the first option is the CJ Dropshipping. You just need to click on that. And the good thing here is that this is free of charge, so you can definitely add this application and install it in your Shopify store without any charge. So here you can see the details on what the app is about. And for the pricing, as you can see, it's free to install. So you just need to click on add app. When you click on it, you will be redirected back to your Shopify account, and then you just need to click on install app to complete the process. When you click on install app, you will need to sign in and verify or authorize your CJ dropshipping account to make sure that you will be granting access that Shopify will be able to connect with CJ Dropshipping. So you just need to click on authorize. And here, as you can see, I'm currently logged in into my CJ Dropshipping. So I'll go back to the authorization page and then just click on authorize. And there, as you can see, it informs that the authorization was successful. And sometimes they may need you to re-sign in and once again into your CJ Dropshipping account to make sure that your account is fully verified. Okay, just filling out these informations. Make sure that you have the correct password and the username as well to make sure that you'll be able to log in successfully. So here, aside from using the username and the password, you can also sign in using your Google account. So let me choose the right account. Once done, you can actually do as well, if ever you're still not able to log in, you can go ahead and click on forgot password, and CJ Dropshipping will send an email into your account for you to reset your CJ Dropshipping password. You just need to click on reset password, and then once you have successfully resetted your password, you can go ahead and click on confirm, and you can go back to the login page so that you will be able to sign in once again into your CJ Dropshipping account. Once done, you can see that I am routed to the CJ Dropshipping homepage already. So what we'll do here is that we will be trying to add a product into your Shopify store through CJ Dropshipping. And as you can see on the apps and sales channels that I have on my Shopify account, there you will be able to view that CJ Dropshipping has now been installed, which means this is an active application for this platform. So we'll go back to CJ Dropshipping, then let's find a product that we want to add into our online store. You can choose a lot of options. There's a lot of categories that you can choose from here, depending on what you want to add into your Shopify store. So here, let me look for a product. The CJ Dropshipping is wide range of products that you can definitely choose from electronics to appliances, clothing, apparel, jewelries, and a lot more. So here we'll try with a woman's sandals. When we click on it, let's just find a product that we want to add to our listing. Here, make sure that just choose a simple one. So once you have chosen, you just need to click and open that product, and you will be routed into a page here where it provides you the details and the information about the product that you picked. And the important thing here is that once you have decided that you want to add this into your listing, here you just click on list on the buttons provided. And then there will be a pop-up page here where you need to make sure that the store indicated should be under Shopify, since CJ Dropshipping also can cover Etsy, eBay, and a lot more. So here, make sure that it's on your Shopify store. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and set the pricing of the product as well. And before you go, you can go ahead and click on edit listing. And then here you can modify the product title. For example, you want to add a few details or a few information that you want to add, or if you want to rename the product as well, depending on what theme you have for your online store. So here you can modify the description, where there's also already the size chart, the image of the products as well indicated. And here under images, you can also tick the boxes as well if you want to include or exclude the image. And then here I'll just pick all of the products here from varied sizes and colors as well. And make sure that you set the price as well for this. And then for the shipment as well, this is where you will be able to modify that. Once everything has been filled out and completed, you can go ahead and click on list it now. And then you just need to wait for CJ Dropshipping to fully load and complete the listing of the product. So the good thing here while you're waiting, just to let you know that once it's fully processed or completed, this product will automatically be shown into your online store here on your Shopify account. I'll show you that later on. So we'll just wait. This may take a while. And there, as you can see, it has now been listed successfully. So you can go ahead and view the store. And here you can see on your Shopify store, the product has already been added, from the description, the title, the images, the shipment details, and a lot more, even the sizes and the prices as well. So what you can do here is you can actually go to your online store, so you can preview your online store. This is where the products or your products that you have drop shipped to Shopify will be shown. So here, these are my products that I have drop shipped previously. And then you can just go back to the product lists, and these are all the products that I have added into the account. As you can see, the eye icon, you can just click on it and then you'll be able to view that product from the online store that I created here on Shopify. And there you have it. That's how you will be, or that's how you automate your CJ dropshipping into your account. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.